Guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MXC and 3 commas update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go over to the accounts and see how we are getting on. So firstly, let's get up that old calculator. Here we go. Let's have a look at MXC. Yeah, just wanted to show you some good movers we've got going on today. Obviously Edgeware, well, it's up 12%. It was up a bit more. It is still a laggard though. It's still not doing well. I'm only really in at these levels. Well, sub 20 is around. I mean, no spectacular gains really. It's just there or thereabouts. KSM up, dot nicely moving now above that $6. Ample there or thereabouts. Ocean is definitely a laggard, so that is one I'm moving into, as I spoke about yesterday. And here we've got the big winner, which is Ring, which is looking to get to 10 cents. So yeah, looking to take profits on that around there and moving to Ocean. So that is a plan. But yeah, it's good to see the rotation within these coins, because that is basically what I am doing with this trading. I'm waiting for big moves in one, looking for other ones that are relatively weaker or not moved, and then rotating from those stronger ones to the weaker ones, and the weaker ones pump, and then I rotate from those weaker, stronger ones to the weaker ones, and rinse and repeat. And that is basically the name of the game for myself. Yeah, let's have a look at how we're getting on. So we have got 1.632, 1.632, and if we add that to probably lagging Binance as ever, one spot 146, which gives us 2.077, and as we know, 0.7 is bigger than 0.6, so that means we have over a Bitcoin profit now. So if I minus 0.638, and if I minus that 1 as well, it basically tells us that we are 1.14 Bitcoin up. So that's quite a big jump from yesterday, because we are basically 14% on our way to our second Bitcoin now, in theory. So yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with that. So yeah, basically challenge completed. So what I'm gonna do is obviously just carry on. I guess, just carry on, same old with this this account. Is quite, I do prefer it kind of this way, because this is just the sort of like bags I've got there, sort of hodling. I'm not really trading that aggressively, separate to my main trading account. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. 3 commas we haven't had. I've been forgetting to show you 3 commas. So how's 3 commas doing? Yeah, we've got up to $644 from 3 commas, which is good. It's a reasonable amount of extra profit. Today's profit $9. A couple of trades on here at the moment, Band and Lend. Let's have a look at how those alts are getting on. I assume but here's Dot. Here is the king Dot, my favorite. You guys know it's my favorite. Well, Kasama's my favorite. Kasama and Dot basically my favorites. Obviously I have certain levels that they are more my favorites at. But yeah, Dot up 7%, RLC, and well, to be honest, I should have really sold some on that move up there, but hey, like I said, I'm not as massively actively trading this. Lend, we've got a nice Lend position that's moving up nicely. Band, finally getting a groove on. Band was a bargain, down at $10, wasn't it? Turns out. And anything else here of note? What's this? Oh yeah, BZRX having a good move, but I don't have any of that at the moment. LTO having a good move. So yeah, all in all, not a bad day for alts. But Bitcoin, yeah, had a bit of weakness, but to be honest, stock markets are flying, gold and silver are flying, the dollar is getting weaker, Bitcoin, it can only go up, guys, under these circumstances. It can only go up. It can't buck the trend in the bull of everything and go down. So yeah, this is looking very promising. This is looking very promising for the price of Bitcoin. So there we go, guys. So yeah, we'll carry on with these updates. We'll carry on. But yeah, 1 Bitcoin profit. I think it took 42 days. Is it? You'll see in the title, 42 days, I think, or 43. But not bad, not bad. So thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you guys later.